Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a narrow travel niche so your content resonates. This focuses writing and audience growth. Next, register a domain and install a minimal CMS. You want a live site within 48 hours. Then, write 3 cornerstone posts that showcase your voice and expertise and build a 90-day content calendar to avoid scrambling. Make sure to add an email sign-up immediately. Once done, publish 1 post, promote it in 2 relevant communities, and track initial engagement. Now focus on consistent content production by batching work. Outline, draft, edit, and schedule multiple posts in a single block to preserve momentum. While writing, optimize headlines, meta descriptions, and on-page structure to increase discoverability. Use clear calls to action to grow subscribers. Once content is live, repurpose each post into short-form video, social images, and an email summary to multiply reach. Make sure to measure which formats drive traffic and double down on. You finish the cycle by testing monetization with clear hypotheses. Try 1 affiliate program, 1 sponsored pitch, and 1 digital product to see what converts. Then scale by automating workflows, templates, social schedulers, and a simple analytics dashboard so you can focus on strategy instead of busy work. If growth stalls, run a quick audit of top posts, keyword performance, and promotion channels to find leaks. 1 key troubleshooting tip. If traffic drops, revert recent changes and compare analytics to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.